Hello, everyone. Welcome to our story. Let's learn English together. This is Milo. Milo is a small blue mouse. Milo lives in a big green forest. Today, the sun is shining. Milo is very happy. He is walking and holding a big red apple. Look! Milo stops. He hears a sound. Someone is crying. Who is it? Milo looks through the grass. Oh no, it is a baby deer. The deer is trapped. A thick rope is around its leg. The baby deer is sad. There are tears in its eyes. Milo wants to help. Can a small mouse help a deer? Yes, he can. Milo runs to the deer. Don't worry, my friend, Milo says. Milo starts to bite the rope. He bites and bites. His teeth are very strong. But wait, listen. Thump, thump, thump. Someone is coming. It is the hunter. The hunter is a bad man. He wears a green hat and a big coat. He is holding a long stick. The hunter is very angry. The baby deer is scared. Milo is scared too. They must be brave. Milo bites the rope faster. The hunter is getting closer. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Suddenly, the ground shakes. Boom! Look! A giant elephant appears from the trees. The elephant is very, very big. The elephant lifts its trunk and makes a loud sound. Trumpet sound! The hunter is terrified. He drops his stick and runs away. Run, hunter, run! Now, the forest is quiet. With one last bite, Milo cuts the rope. The baby deer is free. The deer is so happy. It licks Milo's face. Thank you, Milo. Thank you, elephant.